The moment you understand this method for making Afang soup, you can now say done and dusted, because this will always turn out perfect. For this Afang soup, you will need some roasted fish. I love a combination of different parts of meat: the liver, pomo, cow tail, beef, everything. Periwinkles are a must for Afang soup. We also need lots of ground crayfish and hot peppers. I will always start with the meat going first into the pot. The liver should also follow. You can do extra seasoning with some stock cube and salt. So we're going to allow this to boil for just 10 minutes since we are using already pre-cooked meat. And liver cooks in a very short time. After 10 minutes, we can start adding the water leaves. Don't worry, you can fill the pot to the brim. It will go down dramatically in just a few seconds. Once that happens, we can go ahead and add the remaining water leaves. Then we add the roasted fish. We stir, and we're going to let this cook for the next 10 minutes. Water leaves are actually properly cooked. We don't treat them like normal vegetables, especially for Afang soup. So after 10 to 15 minutes, we can add the remaining ingredients. Ground peppers, add palm oil. I always say you don't need a drum of palm oil for your Afang soup. I don't know why people keep doing it. I keep begging them to stop. So add your ground crayfish, stir to combine. Add the ground Okazi leaves. These Okazi leaves should actually be in the freezer until you are ready to use them. Otherwise, it can go bad. Finally, the green animals. Periwinkles are always part of my Afang soup. Either this or the other one in the shell. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. And don't forget to drop a comment, like, and share. I'm going to be making lots of wonderful videos, and I'm sure you would want to see all of them. Don't be told. Thank you.